Example of how to work these questions. Using 200 grams of calcium chloride, I would give you the formula. Forget to put that in. And 900 grams of water, calculate percentage by mass and the molarity. So for percentage by mass, and I need these to be worked neatly, percent by mass, I need you to, for every single one of the percentage by mass calculations you do, I need you to write down part over total. I must see this right here to get full, complete credit. And then the part is going to be the 200 grams, and the total is going to be 1100 grams. So 2 divided by 11 is 0.18, 18. Go ahead and show me exactly what that is on your calculator, and then we're going to round that. I'm not going to get too compulsive about rounding, but just think about your rounding. First decimal spot, and put your final answer in a box. So that's percentage by mass. Molarity, I need to see this on your paper each and every time. Molarity is moles over volume of water. And so to find the moles, you're going to need to find the molar mass. And you're going to need a periodic table. If you were using calcium chloride, look at the formula. There's one calcium atom. There are 2 chlorine atoms. If you look on the periodic table, calcium is 40.08. You don't have to write this down, I'm just illustrating it. We're going to round that to the closest whole number. So that's what actually would be on your paper. 1 calcium atom, 1 times 40. And then if you look on the periodic table, chlorine is 35.45. 35.45. We're going to use the closest whole number. That's a 35. So this is what I would actually see on the paper. And then you add it. 110, or you could do that. So the molar mass is 110 grams. That is the mass of 1 mole. So to find the number of moles, that probably should be a number of moles, you're going to take your actual mass, and divide it by the molar mass. And so that's 200 divided by 110. 200 divided by 110 is 1.8181. When you do the rounding on these things, you might have a number greater than 1, you might have a number less than 1. Try to have at least 2 digits in it. So 1.8, and that is the number of moles. Molarity is moles divided by the volume of water. The volume of water has to be in liters, but we're lucky here. Grams of water and milliliters of water are the same thing. However, you have to change the milliliters to liters by moving the decimal 3 spaces. So it's 1.8 divided by 0.9. And 1.8 divided by 0.9, let's take a wild guess what that's going to be. That is 2, and we would write the molarity as 2m, 2 molarity. So down here on the milliliters, if you had 80 milliliters, that would be 0.08 liters. So you have to follow those steps each and every time for these 3 problems. This is due today. It's plenty of time.